on by thirst, they march hundreds of miles across the parched plains. Relying on memory, the matriarchs lead their families to those special water holes that saved them in previous years. This one still has water, but they must share what remains with desperately thirsty animals of all kinds. These are tense times. The elephants dominate the water hole, but as night falls, the balance of power will shift.